Good afternoon, everyone. This morning I posted a video about the S&P 500 futures, and unfortunately, we had some audio difficulties, technical difficulties, and after working on it for most of the morning, we are back on the volume. We're back on the volume. Uh, but I digress. Let's go ahead and start this update. This is the S&P 500 futures. We have this is the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, I just want to show you the uh, what we had for the lows on August 8th, right here. And like you can see a lot of volume, spike of volumes, which means that it meant that these lows were rejected by volume, by buyers. Okay, we then consolidated for probably a couple months, and yesterday we came back and did this back test of, or we did a retest of these lows. We did a lower low though. Okay, here's a couple of things I want to show you. Okay, first of all, positive convergence, meaning we had a lower low on price, but we had a higher low on the technicals or the MACD, one of the most important technical tools out there. Okay. Secondly, let me go ahead and go to the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, this bar right here, go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. This bar right here, this is the last hour of trading of yesterday. Okay, massive buy-in. Some people are saying that it's short covering, meaning that people were betting that the market going to go lower. They had to cover, meaning they had to buy the shares back, and that's why we had this massive buy-in. Okay, the volume though says that you have buyers and also people covering, meaning that you not only had the people covering the shorts, but you had people on the sidelines coming in and buying in because they liked the the price, that the price area that was held. Okay, it wasn't going to go any lower, so people were comfortable enough to go ahead and I guess go and buy into the market. Now, if you can see, I pointed out this line right here. This line right here indicates the level where the volume spiked to. You don't see any other volume bar until the lows of August, a couple months ago. Okay, we haven't had that much volume since then, and more than that, this right here, this volume of the lows of 2000, the August 8th, are the highest volume ever of the S&P futures. So that has to tell you something about it. Okay, now I also had said that in the morning update that we had taken out already the highs from yesterday, which told me that we're gonna be going higher later throughout the session today. Now we're hitting against this downtrend line, which acts as a resistance line. Now we pierced through it already. That's a good sign. I would like to see later on towards the close. I would like to see that buying come in and have a strong close through the close through the downtrend line. Okay, uh, that's very important because we have to have some follow through to this through this rally. Okay, until next time, thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.